Alright, today we're going to be making a coffee on the Rocket Porta Via. That is a special machine made to be transported in a case. So now it's on my counter here where there's too many machines. Two machines are not mine. Only one is mine. It's the Mara X, the one on the far right. The coffee bar is open. Let's do a coffee with the Rocket Porta Via. Let's grab some coffee. Got the milk. Comes with a frothing pitcher that looks pretty nice. And I don't have enough space. God, I have too much coffee gear. This is ridiculous. The machines are like the place where I could put my fellow bouilloire, and I have some scale on the machine. No, it's ridiculous. It's a kettle, it's not a bouilloire. I'm not gonna try to teach you French, because French is hard. That's why it's a dying language, sorry. Now I'm going to adjust the Eureka Mignon that was for doing a V60. I'm going to put it at the setting for espresso. I really like the Porta Via, the style that it has, and something that is special about it, it's how narrow it is, and because it comes in this case. And you have the water reservoir that's on top, made of, I think it's stainless steel. No, it looks pretty amazing. It does not have a hot water spout, and that is okay, no problem with that. Comes with a bottomless portafilter. Looks pretty nice. Just the place to have the water tray is very small and awkward to put out the water. I don't like that. But if you're doing events like I'm not doing, that could be great. Okay, I was gonna... And I have a new scale, it's the Time More, the black mirror. Should have put it on top of here. Oh god, this is 18.2. I need to put a bit more because I have changed my settings of my grinder, and the grinder eats up. I'm gonna be getting the grinder from Fellow soon for my V60. Should be arriving next week. What? I don't think there's a problem with the scale here. Abort, abort, important. Zero that in. N'importe quoi. Oh god. There will be some editing in this video that is going not the way I plan. Now I'm going to put the beans in the grinder. Where's the proof? I'm lost here. And I don't have enough space to work. Should not complain, because this is kind of a dream come true, having all those machines at the same time. They're not mine, but I can play with them and have some fun. Learn from them and see the difference when you have different machine. Is it really different, or is it just the workflow? Of course, the Lelit Bianca black that is here is a double boiler, and that is very different. No, not that much. You can both do steam milk and pour the coffee at the same time, the hot with the water. But one will be more stable because it has two boilers, just better. And this is the nice temper that goes with the Rocket machine. It's very heavy. I love it. And we're going to put this. That will make a beautiful puck. Take the lunar scale, that I would argue is the best scale on the market for coffee and espresso. Espresso not for pour over, too small, that's why the black mirror here, I think it's better. I think it's the Basic Plus black mirror. The Rocket is again a beautiful machine. I like the switch to turn it on, like in a rocket. Yes, I think they thought of that. It's like in a rocket. So, lift off. Good steam at the same time. And you see the steam one. Love it. How long it is. Oh my god, I'm pouring the coffee in the thing for my beans. Wow. Why not? Why not? Huh? That's it. I quit. And I'm not gonna quit. I put too much coffee, I put it in this, the recipient. This is ridiculous. But maybe I've just started a new trend. Wow, I'm creative. Or stupid. Maybe both. Let's not argue. Now let's steam the milk. The steam is very powerful in this machine. Wow. What's the best angle for you and me? I think I'm gonna get a picture like this. I love it. I must have. Now I'm going to put it in this one. Oh no, this one. This one. Let's just see. Ah, let's do something different. Gonna do a dump. This is a coffee dump, chocolatey, and I will have some residue from the coffee. So I think this is the new way to do coffee. Can you see it? Oh, sorry. Looks beautiful. Let's call it a Carlito. Cheers. Let's taste it. Oh, yes. Okay, that's it. I've created a masterpiece. I'm always going to do my coffee like that in my espresso cappuccino. No, I'm joking, but it's good. So I'm glad I did that mistake. You see, sometimes creativity, it's doing a mistake. And by using this beautiful machine, I'm maybe going to post other video because it's going to go away soon. And I'm going to be doing other video for the Bianca. Not many, because they're not mine. And then going back to my Marex. Just to tell you, I'm not going to be sad, but I appreciate maybe this is the best machine because double boiler, it's bigger. I love so much thing about it, but it costs much more money. But you see, if you have less space to have a heat exchanger machine, these are two options that are very small, but this one costs a lot of money because it is transportable. Now I'm gonna drink my coffee and bye-bye. That's awesome.